The Apple Watch Ultra was supposed to be the pinnacle of wearable technology, a rugged beast that would last forever. But as we stand here in 2026, the game has changed entirely. There is a secret circulating through the halls of Cupertino, a project known internally as the Ultra 4, and it is about to make every previous Apple Watch look like a vintage toy. If you are sitting there with an Ultra 2 or even the recently released Ultra 3, you need to stop and listen very carefully. You are holding a device that is about to become obsolete in a way we haven't seen since the original iPhone transitioned to the 3G. This isn't just another incremental update. This is the hardware reset we have been waiting for. For the last 3 years, Apple has played it safe. A brighter screen here, a slightly faster chip there. But the Ultra 4 is where they break the mold. The first thing you're going to notice, the thing that's going to make your jaw drop, is the death of the bulk. For years, the Ultra has been a tank on the wrist. Great for Everest, but a bit much for a suit and tie. The Ultra 4 is rumored to feature a 15% reduction in chassis thickness without sacrificing a single milliamp of battery life. How? Through a radical new manufacturing process called resin-coated copper logic boards. It allows Apple to cram more power into a thinner space, giving us a watch that finally feels like a part of your arm rather than a weight attached to it. But don't let the sleeker profile fool you. Underneath that aerospace-grade titanium is a sensor array so advanced it has actually put the medical industry on high alert. We are talking about the holy grail of health tech. For a decade, engineers have said non-invasive blood glucose monitoring was impossible. They said you'd always need a needle. Well, the Ultra 4 is whispering away from proving them wrong. While the FDA hurdles are still being jumped, the Ultra 4 is packed with an 8-sensor biometric stack on the back. This isn't just for heart rate anymore. It's designed to monitor interstitial fluid through the skin using shortwave infrared spectroscopy. Imagine a world where you know your glucose spikes in real time without a single drop of blood. This isn't just a feature, it's a lifesaver. And then there's the action button. We all thought it was cool when it first arrived, but it's been underutilized. Not anymore. The Ultra 4 is rumored to integrate Touch ID directly into that orange button. No more typing pins with sweaty fingers after a run. No more struggling with Apple Pay when your Face ID is obscured by sunglasses or a ski mask. Just a tap, and you're authenticated. It's a small change that will fundamentally change how you interact with your wrist. Let's talk about the display. There was a lot of heartbreak when the micro-LED rumors for the Ultra 3 were pushed back. But the wait is over. The Ultra 4 is the chosen one. Micro-LED isn't just another buzzword. It's the biggest jump in display tech since OLED. It doesn't use a backlight. It doesn't have the burn-in issues of OLED. But what it does have is brightness that will literally pierce through the blinding snow of the Sierras or the direct noonday sun of the Mojave. We are looking at a peak brightness of 4,000 nits. To put that in perspective, that's brighter than most high-end living room TVs. And the best part? It uses 30% less power. This leads us to the one thing every adventurer cares about, battery life. The Ultra 3 was good, giving us roughly 72 hours in low-power mode. But the Ultra 4, with its S11 silicon and micro-LED efficiency, is aiming for the week-long milestone. Imagine leaving for